In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, you can click on Theme. Scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Now just click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, click on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, pick one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources, like Downloads. Finally, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and finally choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your themes, click on it. Tap on this pin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit one of your custom ones, tap on the chosen one and tap on this pen icon next to the pin one. Then make your changes and tap on Save. Remember to click Apply one more time. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!